Peppermint tea, derived from the Mina piperita plant, is a popular beverage known for its robust flavor and numerous health benefits. While there are various species of mint worldwide, peppermint, with its distinct mentholated taste, stands out for its medicinal properties. Here are 9 compelling reasons to incorporate peppermint tea into your daily routine. Number 1. Relieves headaches and migraines. Peppermint tea is renowned for its ability to alleviate headaches and migraines due to its primary component, menthol. This compound possesses analgesic and muscle relaxant properties, offering significant relief. Applying a cold compress soaked in peppermint tea to the forehead and inhaling its aroma further contributes to relaxation, easing stress associated with headaches. Number 2. Fights flu and cold symptoms. Laboratory studies have shown that peppermint has antimicrobial, antiviral, antioxidant, and decongestant properties. These qualities make peppermint tea an effective remedy for flu and cold symptoms, including clearing the lungs, soothing throat irritation, reducing coughs, and unblocking nasal passages. Number 3. Improves insomnia. Peppermint tea, containing menthol, possesses relaxing and calming properties. Inhaling its aroma positively affects the nervous system, creating a conducive environment for sleep. Consuming a cup of peppermint tea before bedtime can establish a calming ritual, fostering positive associations for a peaceful night's rest. Number 4. Improves bad breath. Peppermint's refreshing scent and antiseptic properties make it a valuable ally in combating bad breath. Drinking peppermint tea or chewing fresh peppermint leaves inhibits the growth of bacteria causing bad odors, extending its antiseptic effect to the oral cavity. Number 5. Relieves symptoms of stomach problems. Peppermint tea offers relief from various stomach issues, including gastritis, indigestion, nausea, and vomiting. Its anti-inflammatory and antiemetic properties soothe the stomach lining, reducing pain and discomfort associated with digestive problems. Number 6. Alleviates menstrual cramps. Peppermint tea can be beneficial in alleviating menstrual cramps due to its natural anti-inflammatory substances. The relaxing impact observed on the intestines and stomach extends to uterine muscles, providing relief from strong menstrual pains. Number 7. Fights bacterial infections. Peppermint, rich in active compounds like menthol, demonstrates effective antimicrobial properties against various bacteria. Its antiseptic properties contribute to strengthening the immune system, aiding in the prevention and control of bacterial growth. Number 8. Supports weight loss. While not a thermogenic agent itself, peppermint supports weight loss efforts by enhancing the intestinal absorption of beneficial substances. Its antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory properties contribute to efficient digestion, ensuring more effective nutrient absorption. Number 9. Improves concentration. Consuming peppermint tea throughout the day enhances energy levels, reduces fatigue, and provides greater mental agility. The stimulating properties of peppermint's refreshing aroma offer a revitalizing sensation, combating mental and physical fatigue. Peppermint can be used in culinary applications, seasoning salads, meats, fish, and desserts. Medicinally, it can be consumed as tea, in infusions, or as essential oil for massages, baths, compresses, and aromatherapy. To prepare peppermint tea, boil 150 milliliters of water, add 1 tablespoon of peppermint leaves, cover, and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the tea and enjoy its refreshing taste. So what are the potential risks of peppermint tea? While peppermint tea offers health benefits, overconsumption can lead to adverse effects, including skin allergies, gastrointestinal issues, and potential complications during pregnancy. Individuals prone to allergies should exercise caution. In conclusion, peppermint tea is a versatile and flavorful beverage with a myriad of health benefits. Whether enjoyed for its soothing properties or as a tasty addition to culinary delights, incorporating peppermint tea into your daily routine can contribute to overall well-being. If you found this enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health insights.